sun. Without the sun, me, you wouldn't exist because we would be freezing right now. The Earth, every planet would be freezing because we're in the solar system.
This is a video of our procedure while working on accomplishing this project.
Of Venus, Earth, triangle. Here's a 3D model that I made of the Mars mini rover.
This is my static model. I based it off of my virtual models. And it has the EFTE cladding panels, the living greenery, elevated sky gardens, the shrubs, bushes, and trees. This amazing aspect of algae is that it can grow anywhere and under any conditions. So the production of algae does not require any extra cost or space for land since it can double in just 20 hours in the cladding. This means that urban environments can be built with no land being subtracted. In fact, we will be gaining more than the effort we put into these algae-based cladding curtains. Our air will be cleaner, energy consumption will be reduced, and we'll have algal biomass.
Photo I took before with my mask on. And as you can see, it can detect that I have the mask on with a probability of 95%. Now let's try one with my mask off. And as you can see, it detects that my mask is off with a probability of 92%.
Aren't you tired of tripping over all the disposable masks on the street?
Well, me and my partner came up with an idea, which is a biodegradable face mask that has flower seeds in it.
Escape velocity, the speed required to escape the gravitational pull of the gaseous planets. We have the equation over here. Mass of the planet in kg, Newton's universal constant of gravity never changes, and then the radius of the planet in kilometers. We are continuing with Jupiter as an example. Putting it all together, we're getting about 60.18, but rounding it up, it's going to be 16.20. So this is the speed that we are required in order to escape the gaseous planets.
After more than 500 million working hours by more than 200 Emirati engineers, the goal is to give hope to all Arabs and the fact that we can compete with nations and other people.
Gets inside the machine. The metal we included in our machine, as you guys can see, is a non-metallic magnet called PanCNQ that is made up of organic polymer and is a combination of aryldine-based polyaniline and tetracyanoquinodimethyl.
On their function, and those systems makes up most of the rocket ship. The four systems are the structural system, propulsion system, payload system, and guidance system. The structural system is what holds the frame, the rocket from the outside. It holds everything that's inside of it. As for the propulsional, that's where you'll find the fuel, the oxygen, the engines of the rocket. And
my first prototype, I used these materials: magnets, rods, another wood, coil, nuts and bolts. It's for the first project. It's the same concept, just in different practices. This is me working on both projects, cutting the wood for it. Measuring the wood to drill the holes for the bolt and to attach the wood pieces to form the frame.
After that, we lift the remainder of the numbers as u to the power of 10. For example, 41,400,000 becomes 4.14 times 10 to the power of 7.
The table below shows the distance from planets to the Earth in kilometers in the index form.
The second process, which is purification. Purifying is the removal of all invisible bacteria, germs, and other harmful elements from the water so it can be safely consumed.
Boiling water is one of the most common methods for purifying it. The time it takes to boil ranges from 1 to 10 minutes. Any bacteria that may have been present in the water will be destroyed as it boils, lowering the risk of becoming ill from drinking it. When the water has reached a boil, remove it from the heat source, let it cool, and then drink. Remember that boiling may not get rid of contaminants like heavy metals. And here are some clips of us boiling the water.
You guys did great, and I'm really proud of you. Like, you guys are young, and this is amazing.
Wonderful. This has been very apt for the time that we are in at the moment. It will really serve the purpose. Congratulations. I'm sure that will help us to overcome this present crisis at the moment. Good work done. Overall, all the three projects are fantastic, very well presented too. It contained a lot of research as well as the work on it, and the presentations have been very very, very interesting.
Information that you shared, and you gave us a positive energy for us to still be motivated and take part as global citizens. We're all part of this community, and we need to be connected with everyone around the world and take action.
Amazing presentational skills, amazing technology skills. I salute you on that. And the most important thing that you've had all in common, my dear students, was the values and the good cause, the fact that you're all working towards noble cause, such as the Sustainable Development Goals and our theme for this academic year, empathy. I salute you and I congratulate you, and I tell you that I am extremely proud of you. Thank you so much.